Welcome back, students. Let's break down what Figma is all about and what it isn't. Figma is your superhero for making quick drafts of websites and apps. It's super handy for UX and UI designers, those folks who create look and feel of design stuff from rough sketches to fancy, almost real website. Figma got you covered. Now, here's the fun part. Figma isn't just about making cool design. It's also great for testing those designs with real people. You can show your work to client or user, get their thoughts, and make changes on the spot. It's like a super fast feedback loop. But here's the catch. Figma won't magically turn your design into real websites or apps. No, it's where developer comes in. Figma gives them some bits and bobs to work with, but the coding part, yet not the Figma thing. So once your design gets the thumbs up, it's time to hand it over to the developers. They will work with the magic and bring your design to the life on the web. But wait, there's some more. Figma isn't just for website and apps. No, it's also handy for making cool stuff like social media posts and ads. It might not be perfect for printing stuff, but it's getting better every day. And get this, people are using Figma for all sort of things. It wasn't even meant for it. It's like the ultimate do-it-all tool for designers. So there you have it. Figma is your go-to buddy for quick design and testing. So are you ready to give it a whirl? Let's dive in and get creative.